Hey boys and girls, I'm here to help you with subtracting fractions using models. So for today's lesson, you're going to go through your three colors on the bottom, your green, your blue, and your purple. After you finish that today, you are going to go to your first math trainer. And there's two questions in there. And sometimes these questions may look tricky, but I'm going to help you and I'm going to walk you through it. So question 1 says, complete the explanation about how you could find the unknown addend in 1/3 plus blank to equal 1 whole without using a model. All right, the denominator in 1/3 tells you that there are how many equal parts in a whole? That means there are 3 equal parts in a whole, right? 1/3, if I want to get a whole, I'm going to have 3/3. So there are 3 equal parts in the whole. Since you already have 1 part, you need how many more? So if I have 1 and I need to get to 3, I need to add 2 to that, all right? So I need 2 more parts to make a whole. So the size of each part is 1/3. So the unknown addend is 2/3. Check answer, and that's how you do it. Now the next one might seem tricky to you, but I'm going to help you through it, all right? Mrs. Ruiz served a pie for dessert 2 nights in a row. The drawings below show the pie after her family ate dessert on each night. What fraction of the pie did they eat on the second night? First night, second night. All right, part 1 out of 4. What do you need to know? Complete the explanation. I need to know, here's my question, how much pie they ate on the second night. I need to know how much pie was eaten on the second night. Check it. Move on. All right, part 2 out of 4. How can you find the number of pieces eaten on the second night? Complete the explanation. I can add or subtract. Well, we are subtracting. I can subtract the pieces left on the second night. So I'm going to take my second night, which is 2 pieces. So I'm going to take away those 2 pieces from however many pieces are on this side, because there's a lot more, because I could subtract a small number from a larger number. Remember that. From the first night, check your answer and move on. Part 3 out of 4. Complete the explanation about the steps used to solve the problem. There were a total of how many pieces in the pie? Go back and look. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this is cut into 12ths. There were a total number of 12 pieces in the pie. I can count the number of pieces left on the first night and the number of pieces left on the second night, right? So I can figure out how many pieces were eaten, right? Then I add or subtract the quantities to find the number of pieces eaten on the second night. I subtract them. Check that. Complete. Part 4 out of 4. Complete the sentences. After the first night, how many pieces were left? I have to go back and look. After the first night, there were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There were 9 pieces left. After the second night, there were only 2 pieces. All right. So how many pieces were eaten on the second night? 9 minus 2 is 7. Click on this box. Here's the fraction. I'm going to put 7 as my numerator and 12 because there's 12 size pieces for my denominator. Check it. Submit it when you're done. I hope this helped you. You're going to have a little button here to submit. I don't have that because I have the teacher version. You're going to then move on to your homework. I'm going to let you guys know you're going to see both of those problems with different numbers in your homework. I hope this helped you guys today. Bye.